Hi, everyone. Renee Fleming here. I'm a Senior Executive Director with Touchstone Crystal by Swarovski, and I want to share with you a way that you can launch a virtual boutique right from your home, your living room, your couch, your bedroom. If you have Wi Fi and a desire to earn an extra income, then take a look at this business opportunity because I'll tell you, it's been life changing for me for sure. And I'd be happy to answer any questions that you have to see whether or not this would be a good fit. But I'm going to show you a way that you can launch your business with just a Sparkle kit, which is so exciting. You can literally start your business today and launch it within the next day or so, which is so cool. We know that according to the Labor Department, nearly 900,000 women left the workforce in September of 2020. Now, that might be you, or you might know somebody that would love to earn an extra income while working from home in their socks or slippers. And I'm going to show you how to exactly do that with beautiful Sparkle kit. So first I'm going to start off with what I have on. I am so excited and so passionate to help women build a business that they are excited about. And I am super passionate also about sharing this gorgeous jewelry that we have at Touchstone Crystal. So I'm going to start off with these beautiful, look at those. Those are called our Millionaire Club earrings because they make you look and feel like $1,000,000. Okay, love them. The Millionaire Club earrings are part of our Little Black Dress collection. So what does that mean? That is, these stones are the Swarovski Pure Brilliance Zirconia. So it's a beautiful cut of crystal similar to the diamond. So I love that. And it is set in sterling silver. So if you like to keep your jewelry on, wear it in the shower, wear it to bed, then you want to go with the Little Black Dress collection. Sterling silver pieces, you can wear them all the time, never have to worry about taking them off. Okay, so I love that. They retail for $45. And yes, they are part of our beautiful Sparkle kit. So we have this incredible Sparkle kit. You're literally a boutique in a box. And we have it for only $99 this month, plus tax shipping and the first month website fee of $12, which really gives you like 3 websites. And I'll be happy to go into detail on that with you. So you do get these beautiful Millionaire Club earrings. And you also receive in this beautiful kit this gorgeous April birthstone necklace. Look at that, how beautiful. The April birthstone necklace is such a favorite of mine. I love this little pave ball. It's a perfect little amount of sparkle. Yes, birthstone, which means we have these necklaces in the 12 birthstone colors. Okay, love that. We also have birthstone bracelets, birthstone rings, and we finished the collection with our spring summer edition of the birthstone earrings. So I love this. If you have gifts to buy, if you have a favorite sports team or gymnastics team or dance team and you want to represent those colors, the Birthstone collection is a perfect piece to do that. And I love using the Birthstone collection as fundraising tools too. So if you like to fundraise or you know somebody who is passionate about raising money for a charity or cause, then let us know, let me know, and I'd be happy to share my fundraising opportunities with you. Okay, so love that. The next piece I'm going to show you is our beautiful Chanel necklace. Now, this is a 36-inch Chanel necklace. I love long necklaces because I say long necklaces are like skinny girl necklaces. They make you look taller and thinner. So sign me up. I'm all about skinny girl necklaces. Now, this I really love too because this is the Aurora Boreal stone. Take a look at that. See how that picks up so many different colors, right? The Aurora Boreal stone was created back in the 50s. Christian Dior went to Daniel Swarovski and wanted him to create a stone that had the illusion of the Northern Lights. And they did just that with this beautiful stone. You're going to see that throughout the collection in many different pieces. I love the Aurora Boreal. We refer to it as the AB stone. It's stunning. It picks up pinks and purples and blues. It is it's an everyday staple. So I love this in our wardrobe. What I also love about our Chanel necklaces, now this retails for $89, but I love the versatility that we have. Excuse me, put that back. The versatility of this necklace. So we have this great little trick, a little necklace converter. Okay, it retails for like $6. And we also have one that's Swarovski crystals on both sides for $19. But what I love is that you can create a beautiful layered look by using this little trick. Okay, and what you do, now you just layer this and have it sit wherever you would like, depending on the blouse that you are wearing, okay? Another way that you can wear this, let me undo this, is you get your necklace. Now this holds 2 to 4 Chanel, so you can mix colors. I love that, mix colors, mix metals. And you get your necklace and you twist it. And by twisting it, you're gonna now create a beautiful statement necklace, okay? Let me just snap that, there we go. Okay, look at that, how beautiful. I have to make sure I put my neck up, my chin up, so it doesn't look like I have double chins. So I love this. Again, this retails for $89, okay? So this Chanel necklace is a staple in every woman's wardrobe, okay? Love this. Throw it on and out the door I can go, okay? Another piece that I really love, gold is, I love gold pieces. This is so cute. Look at that. This is our mini disc necklace. It retails for $59, adjustable 15 to 18 inches. So I love that, depending on where you want it to sit. But it's a great amount, perfect amount of sparkle for your little Zoom meetings. Most of us are dressed from the waist up during the day. What I mean by that is probably in your pajama pants or yoga pants, cute sweater. I did put jeans on today, so I am fully dressed. But I love that this just gives you that perfect amount of sparkle for your Zoom meetings, okay? Again, retails $59. Now, another set of earrings that I love, and women love it. It's not just me. Women just love these. This is called our Lulu earrings, okay? Now, this one is our vintage rose. The Lulu earrings retail for $44. We have them in, I want to say like 18 different stones. They're gorgeous. So we have everything from clear to colored stones and everything in between. So the Lulu earrings are great, great earring for you're adding a little bit of sparkle, okay? So I love that. Now, to wrap up my look, we are going to talk about wrapping up a beautiful wrist party. Now, we say wrist party because we say without bracelets, we want to stack them in odd numbers. 1 is cute, 2 is fun, 3 or more is a party. So you want to stack them in 3, 5, if you're daring, go at 7 or more, okay? I'm pretty much a 3 to 5 girl. So I'm going to show you how we start this off. First, our number 1 best-selling items are our ice bracelets. Look at this. Now, this is the white ice bracelet. It retails for $89. Yes, $89, ladies. And it's in our sparkle kit, okay? 89 bucks. We have these in so many different colors. Again, Oprah chose this as one of her favorite pieces 2 Christmases ago in her favorite things. And you can see why. We say the like Lay's potato chips, girls, and you can't have just one. You're going to be obsessed with ice bracelets. Look at all the different colors that these come in. I love them. Yeah, I have quite the addiction on these ice bracelets. And what I love too is we have some that are a little bit shorter, and then we also have extenders for those that want them a little bit looser. Okay, these are 7.5 inches. And you will, I'm sorry, 7.25 inches. I would say half, 7.25 inch ice bracelets. Okay. That's the white ice bracelet. Now, perfect wrist party, you want to add color, texture, and of course, sparkle. So we're going to add our beautiful stretch bracelet. This is the April Birthstone stretch bracelet. The stretch bracelets retail for 33 bucks. Yes, again, they come in the 12 birthstone colors. We also have this in gold, and we have it in jet black, and we have it in the Aurora Boreal stone. So I really love that. I love our stretch bracelets because they don't ruin your sweaters. They don't pinch your skin. They don't ruin your scarves. So I love that. Okay. 33 bucks. Again, great gift giving piece or great stackable pieces to show your team spirit. Okay. Love that. Now see, 2 is cute, right? I mean, 2 is fun, but we want to make this a wrist party. So the way to do that is to add a beautiful wrap star bracelet. The wrap star bracelets retail for 74 bucks. This one is the light gray with the Aurora Boreal stone. You see that? I am really blinding you, aren't I? Love this. I love the Aurora Boreal stone. So this is like 32, 33 inches. It has 2 snaps. So you decide where you want it, but you literally wrap this 3 times. It's buttery soft, so lightweight. These are like the perfect piece, the yoga pants of bracelets, because they're so soft. You can throw this on with your yoga pants and you won't even know it's on. Okay. Retails for $74. And this is a perfect wrist party. Doesn't that look pretty? So again, all of these pieces, including the gold and the Lulu, this is about $500 worth of jewelry that you get in your beautiful sparkle kit for $99 plus tax, shipping, and the first month website fee of $12. So again, if you have an interest in earning some extra money while working from your phone, sitting on your couch or at your kitchen table, then you got nothing to lose. Give me a call, send me a message, and I'll be happy to share more information with you and see whether or not this would be a good fit. But how fun is this to share this beautiful jewelry with your friends and family, right? And you can make some extra cash. So I hope you love this sparkle as much as I do. And let me know if you have any questions whatsoever. Have a great day.